Today, we will tour 1367 South Country Club Drive, Unit 1108 in Mesa, Arizona. Welcome to this exceptional 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome located in the vibrant city of Mesa. The upgraded kitchen is a standout, featuring rich cabinetry, high-end appliances, and beautiful Italian Quartzite countertops. You will love the spacious layout with elegant dining and living areas, ideal for both entertaining guests and unwinding at the end of the day. Here we have a convenient powder room downstairs. Other features of this home include an internal laundry with a stacked washer and dryer, as well as an attached 2-car garage that ensures plenty of parking and added storage space for your needs. Here we have the luxurious primary suite, which includes a full bathroom with double sinks, creating a perfect retreat. This home also features low-maintenance landscaping and a private patio area adorned with charming fruit trees, offering beauty and ease of upkeep. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. This property is in a fantastic location. Enjoy access to community amenities, including large swimming pools, gas grills, picnic areas, and a playground, perfect for outdoor fun and gatherings. This townhome combines comfort, style, and convenience in a desirable location. Don't miss your chance to make it your next home.